are you ready?
Are you ready?
I think so.
What are you making?
Chicken taquitos. So I'm just gonna do a little EVOO. While that's cooking, cream cheese, sour cream, and cilantro.
You know how I feel about sour cream, right?
But I promise you won't taste it. Did you taste it at Cheesecake Factory? A handful of cilantro. Get out my avocado. Oh no, we don't want that. Okay. I'm gonna take some of my cream cheese, so a quarter. And then some sour cream, which you really can't go wrong with. Start out with that. Quarter cup. See what we're working with the Ninja. Whoa.
That taste.
Oh, now you want to taste it? Sourpuss. I'm going to drain the corn. Add this to the bowl. I'm not going to do a lot of onion, just a little onion. It's burning my eyes.
So dramatic.
I know you're not talking. Give it a nice little mince there. So it's small. What the hell happened to that?
I didn't do it.
We just take our cheese. We're gonna chop it up. Are you impressed?
No.
Okay. Look at that. Look how quick that just bulldozed that cheese. Put it in here. Then we'll leave some for the top. Okay, so we got our cheese, our corn, and our onion. So now we're going to shred our chicken. Mix it in with this. Ooh, baby whiz. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on top. Sprinkle cheese. A little bit of the mixture. It's gonna make like 400 taquitos. I told you we should only do 2 pieces. Bring it together like a taco. He needs to come in Jesus meeting. Sir, I'm gonna need you to get it together, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. You too, sir. Don't follow his lead. Alright. We're gonna bake for how long? 15 minutes. Or until crispy, golden brown. Easy. Houston, we have a problem. Some of them were okay, but this guy just really was rebellious. I mean, what happened here? He just spit himself out? Alright, let's try to assemble these puppies. So we do... This is how I remember it. Alright, just going to take a little bit of salsa. Then we're going to take our favorite queso. Bam! There's one for my boy Emerald. Just gonna get a pic of the gram. Dang, look at that. Alright, now you're my taste tester, so there's a lot of work that went into this, you know? Just keep that in mind when you're judging me. It smells good. Be honest. Stone Cold Steve Austin, give me something. Your face is not giving me anything.
It's good.
It's good? On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you give it?
10.
Really? Don't lie to me. Don't pull my leg.
Give it a 10. Really? It's good. Yeah, I told you.
Wow. Fulci. Fulci, I'm shook. Sing it. Oh, I just heard a glass break. This is the freaking, oh, this makes me so irritated. I'm even having to open this right now. Remember when I tried to order those pearl sandals? And they were like, oh, we discontinued your order. Well, they sent them to me in a 5.5.
So stupid.
So stupid. Like, really?
Wow, they look nice though. Only if they had your size.
Like,
Real nice though. I like them. You want to see if you can just make them
whose
fit?
fit? Whose foot would that fit in? Like,
Little kids.
yeah. Okay, these are the last 2 gowns for the engagement shoot. Would you like me to try them on for you?
Yeah, why not?
Miss America.
So tell me about this dress.
It's not zipped all the way though. Just want to zip it.
Turn around. Okay. Who's the maker?
The maker?
Or the designer?
I don't know. I know who this one is. This is the all classic Ralph Lauren. This is a very mature look for me.
You can come a little bit closer.
Come
Alright, now to the left.
to the left, to the left.
Alright, perfect. Turn around for me. Looks good. I like them all.
Miss America's leaving now. For what? All right. Are you ready to do our Costco haul? Look at all this goodness. Oh, baby Jesus. Okay. So we got some rosemary bread, which I wish you could smell because it smells absolutely divine. Some sweet kale salad. These adorable bowls. 4 of them for $11. Got a nice hard drive for 60 bucks. Some croissants. And over here we got some, what is this? Obviously not my purchase. Granola minis. Some Kirkland Cabernet. Another red wine. This one is a Mediterranean chopped salad, which looked delish. Classic socks. If you don't know, now you know. $10. Both these on clearance with a coupon. I think it was like, babe, how much was the soap? $5. Some sangria. Some sports bras for work. Hope those fit. These were literally so fresh. The bag was full of steam. Some ciabatta bread. I'm gonna make some salami sandwiches with those. And these, oh my god, I don't know how to say it. Spankopita, spanakopia, I don't know how you say it, but so good. And some romaine for some salad. And if you're wondering what's wrapped in the towel, I'm gonna show you why. Because your friend decided to poke a hole in it when he put it in the car. Look how big that hole is. Let me just, yep. That's a huge, huge hole. So now I'm gonna have to unpackage that, package it separate, and then, I'm sorry? It's not his fault. Just for the record, it's not his fault. I'm sorry, what was that? Costco, you need to package your stuff better. That's the reason that happened. Should have never happened. I'm sorry? I mean, I can contact them about it if you want. He's still talking. Anywho. Also, did a little bit of damage. Got a shirt at Express. Got some booties on clearance. How cute are these for like 40 bucks? And a whole boatload of stuff from Macy's I'm going to do a try on haul for. Stay tuned. It's not dinner. It's not a wedding. It's mimosa time. That actually sounds really nice. You ready, Fulci?
I'm coming.
Well, that was underwhelming. What kind
Sure
of BS
was.
is that? That's what we get for buying Andre. It's a fraud.
Why is there so much straws on the counter? This is like,
I can explain.
you can explain.
What had happened was, I had to use the bag that it was in to put this other bread in the freezer. So when we go to the grocery store, I'm gonna get more gallon bags and put those back in, put those in, and put your croissants in. You feel me?
I don't like a lot of juice either.
You told me you did.
It's okay. I'll drink it.
Well, I'm so sorry. I can chug some of it and add more champagne to dilute it.
It's okay. Just not for next time.
Yes, sir. Reporting for duty.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Babe.
I'm gonna save it for my snacks later.
Oh, with your spinach and feta thing I can't pronounce. You hold it.
Put it in the
Really?
fridge. I'm gonna save it for later.
You're ridiculous.
Thank you.
Whatever. Yeah, is this also for your snack later?
Yeah, you never know.
Literally, there's like one dribble left. I have never in my life seen anything like you are. You got problems. All right, take a seat. You're ready for the best fashion show of your life.
I'm ready.
Dubai, 119. Yellow Sesame Street, coming at you. Better on than on the.
Turn around. Oh, baby.
Isn't it cute?
It's great. I'm gonna zoom in.
Huh? Hit me with a
Zoom in.
zoom! Have you ever seen anything like it? And they're so comfortable, like I can do literally any dance in these.
A lot better than what I thought.
Especially with the crop top. It's their high waist.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what do we give them out of the 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, that's what I like to hear. The mom leather shorts. They're leather shorts, but not slutty ones.
I'm gonna
They
zoom
got
in.
pockets. Hit me with a zoom. They got room for the dog. And they're appropriate lengths, so if you miss something at the grocery store, you're not flashing your goodies. What do you think?
It's good.
Huh?
Just walk over there. Alright. I'll walk back.
Come on, KBC. 2,200 left. Call us now. 555-318-7272. Seriously, you like it?
That's good. I love it. Better than expected.
Out of the 10, what are we giving them?
A 10.
10 out of 10? 2 in a row.
10 out of 10.
That's what I like to hear, Vulture.
Did a good job today.
Thanks, babe. So this one is just same one, different color. I got it in purple, but now I got it in black. Because I wanted to match my mom. This is the one she's wearing by the way.
Oh, that's what she's wearing?
Yeah.
Turn around.
It looks super cute on her too. And she even got little leopard heels, but they're like baby ones. These were too tall for her.
I'm gonna zoom in.
She didn't want to break it out.
Turn around.
Excuse me.
Looks good. I love it. Can I get some of yours?
Huh?
Can I get some of yours?
Oh. You wanted me to put yours in the fridge, but now you want some more. Don't you dare drink it all. Leave. Alright. So we give this 1 out of 10. What do we give?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is 1 of 2 yellows. You gotta tell me which one you like the best. These shoes are horribly uncomfortable, but they're the only new ones I have. So this is like Sunburst in Dubai, mixed with Big Bird.
Alright, but you gotta walk.
Oh, excuse me. QVC. I am 741274. Don't waste any time because we've already sold 400. There's only 250 left. Make sure you give us a call. 877-515-7272. Is that the same number I made up last time? I'm just gonna start getting one of everything and sharing it with you. Because when I give you your own, you don't ever use it, take it, drink it, eat it.
I like how you're talking. See? Makes things a lot easier that way.
Oh, yeah. You're right. So you like this one?
I love it.
Out of 10, what would you give it?
10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. I can't say anything bad. Good job.
Thanks, right? I know what you're thinking. This looks awfully familiar. It's the same as the black one, but in yellow. But it's kind of see-through, a little bit. So I put my leggings under it.
Looks good.
Would you prefer to see without the leggings?
Oh, baby.
Does it move behind me?
A little bit.
Like a little tail? Come on! On to the grand finale.
Mm-hmm.
It's time to go to church. These are my bonus items.
It's great.
You like that? I couldn't zip it all the way.
Looks awesome. Perfect.
It's long. It's got polka dots. Can't go wrong. This is the deal of the day. Today's special value. $179 on sale for $79. Get it before it's gone. We'll see who gets the QVC deal. You
Come
and
closer.
White Claw or me? Okay, now you want to see the bonus items?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This cool leather jacket. Look at the sides, how it's like cut out. You're putting it on the football. Isn't that so cool?
Try it on.
It doesn't go with this dress, but let's see what it looks like.
That looks great,
Cool.
yeah.
So the dress that goes under it's like the one I told you about to order. It's long and it's like a soft green leopard. And it's really cool. I wish I had a picture, but I don't know.
Looks good. I love
Like
it.
it.
Good job.
And then this one, you know I have that love affair with kimonos. Kimono Dragon Lady. Look at this one. Oh, isn't it so cute? So
That's
like
nice.
this with like the jeans I had on today and a t-shirt. Just, you know, something. And then these. Python boots for $40. Like, you can't beat that. I feel like I'm at Target trying on shoes. Remember when we used to do that when we were little? And they were like, whoa, it scared me. They were stuck together, so you couldn't really go that far. Aren't they just so cute? with jeans
Mm-hmm.
for the winter. Only $40 from Express. This is a clearance item, people. Call us now before they're gone. There's only 70 left. 60. Oh my God. Pam, are we really down to 40? Hurry.